In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to deposit money from your Trust Wallet account to your Rainbet account. First of all, you need to log into your Rainbet, then you need to click the wallet in the top of the page, and you need to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. For example, if you have got the available Bitcoin balance, you can choose Bitcoin and send Bitcoin from Trust Wallet, or you can just choose any of other currencies. I will choose, for example, USDT because I have got USDT on my Trust Wallet. And then we need to select the network. I prefer to choose the Binance Smart Chain network because at the moment the fees are 0. So I'll choose Binance Smart Chain and I will copy this wallet address. So I need to send my USDT from my Trust wallet to this Rainbet wallet address. So let's copy this and let's go to our Trust wallet. After you will open your Trust wallet, you need to select the cryptocurrency you want to send. For example, in this case, USDT. Then click the send button and paste the wallet address we just copied from Rainbet. Then select the amount. In this case, I will send 20 USDT. And don't forget that there is the minimum deposit amount, which is 15 USDT at the moment. They might change this amount, so be careful. Look at the minimum amount. So I will send 20 USDT. Let's click next. You can see the fee is 0 on Binance Smart Chain network. So let's confirm. And as you can see, we successfully sent our USDT to Rainbet. Now I will wait a few seconds and I will receive my money. As you can see, guys, we just received 20 USDT on our account. So that's how you can deposit money on Rainbet using your Trust wallet. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.